Hello everyone, in today's video we will be discussing how to stop the Xbox One power supply from blinking orange. First, let's understand why the power supply blinks orange. The orange light on your power supply indicates that the console isn't receiving enough power. Common causes of this issue include a faulty power supply, a dusty power brick, or a faulty power cable or brick. Now, let's look at the best solutions you can apply to fix this issue. Start by resetting the power supply. Unplug all the cables from your Xbox in the outlet, letting it sit for at least 10 to 20 seconds. Plug everything firmly back in and ensure that the Xbox turns on without the orange light blinking. Next, clean the power brick by disconnecting everything from the power and using compressed air to blow out all the dust from the vents. Alternatively, you can use a hairdryer. Inspect the power cable and the brick. Ensure all the pins in your power cable are intact. Use a replacement cable and brick to check if the power supply works properly. Replace a damaged brick if necessary. Thank you for watching and see you next time.